AI is now smarter than Wall Street. Here's how you can profit. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing your AI-powered trading bot made $500 while you slept. Not just a couple of bucks, but enough to cover a really nice dinner or maybe even a weekend getaway. Sounds impossible? Well, guess what? Thousands of traders are already doing this, every single day, while traditional investors are stuck doing things the old way, and probably losing money. Look, I'm gonna be straight with you. If you're still trading stocks without AI, you're already behind. The game has changed, and just like we saw computers change everything about how business is done, AI is doing the same thing for investing. But there's good news. The good news is that AI is now available to everyone. You don't need to be a hedge fund or a Wall Street hotshot to tap into the power of AI anymore. And in today's video, I'm revealing 3 insane AI-powered trading strategies that are absolutely changing the game in 2025. We're talking about giving you an edge that most people don't even know exists. But that's not all. You gotta stay till the end, because I'm also gonna show you the AI strategy that top hedge funds don't want you to know about. This is the stuff they keep locked away in their vaults, the strategies they use to make millions, and I'm going to break it down for you right here, right now. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive in. What if I told you there was a way to predict stock movements before they happen? What if you could see into the future just a little bit and know whether a stock was about to skyrocket or plummet? Would that be valuable? Of course it would. Well, that's exactly what AI prediction tools do. We're not talking about crystal balls or tarot cards here. This is real data-driven technology. Here's how it works. AI algorithms, these incredibly powerful pieces of software, scan massive amounts of data in real time. We're talking news articles, market trends, earnings reports, social media sentiment, you name it. The AI is looking at it, and it's not just looking, it's analyzing, it's finding patterns that human traders could never even dream of spotting. Patterns that indicate whether a stock is about to go up or down. And when I say massive amounts of data, I mean it. We're talking terabytes, petabytes of information being processed in milliseconds. Human brains simply can't compete with that level of analysis. But AI can. It thrives on data. The more you feed it, the smarter it gets. Now you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds great, but who's actually using these tools? Well, let me tell you, some of the biggest names in the game are already on board. Companies like Trade Ideas, Kavoot, and AlphaSense are leading the pack in AI stock prediction. These aren't some fly-by-night startups, these are established players with serious technology behind them. And the results speak for themselves. Traders using AI prediction tools are seeing accuracy rates of 80% or higher. That's insane. Compare that to traditional human traders who are lucky to get it right half the time. The writing is on the wall, folks. AI is the future of stock prediction, but don't just take my word for it. A recent study by insert reputable source here showed that AI prediction tools consistently outperformed human analysts in terms of accuracy and speed. We're talking about a level of insight that was previously unimaginable. It's like having a team of superpowered analysts working for you 24/7. So the question is, are you going to stick with the old way of doing things, or are you going to embrace the future of trading? Are you ready to level up your game and start making decisions based on data, not guesswork? Would you trust AI to predict the stock market? Comment yes or no below and let me know what you think. Let's face it, finding the best stocks to invest in used to be a nightmare. It was all about spending hours upon hours poring over financial statements, news articles, charts, trying to separate the winners from the losers. It was enough to make your head spin. But guess what? The days of manual stock screening are over. AI is here to save the day, and it's about to make your life a whole lot easier. With AI stock screening, you can say goodbye to those late nights hunched over your computer because AI can scan thousands of stocks in seconds. That's right, seconds! What used to take you hours, AI can do in the blink of an eye. And it's not just about speed, it's about accuracy and insight. AI digs deep into the data, analyzing fundamentals, technical indicators, market trends, and everything in between. It's like having a team of expert analysts working around the clock to find the best possible stocks for you. AI stock screening tools don't just find good stocks, they find the hidden gems, the diamonds in the rough that Wall Street doesn't want you to know about. These are the stocks that are poised for explosive growth, the ones that can turn a small investment into a life-changing amount of money. And the best part? These tools are available to everyone. You don't need to be a millionaire hedge fund manager to access this kind of power. Companies like Zacks AI, FinViz, and Tickeron are making AI stock screening accessible to everyday investors, and it's changing the game. Don't believe me? Let's look at a real-world example. A recent case study by insert reputable source here showed how an investor using AI stock screening was able to identify Tesla as a potential winner long before it became the market darling it is today. While other investors were hesitant, the AI recognized the company's potential and flagged it as a buy. The result? Massive profits for those who listened to the AI. That's the power of AI stock screening. It takes the guesswork out of investing and gives you the data you need to make informed decisions. No more relying on gut feelings or following the herd. With AI, you can invest with confidence, knowing that you're making decisions based on data, not emotion. Want to get your hands on a list of the best AI stock screeners out there? I've got you covered. Check the link in the description below for a comprehensive list of the top AI stock screening tools available today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your investing game. AI trading bots. The ultimate money machine that works while you sleep. Now let's talk about the holy grail of AI investing, AI trading bots. This is the stuff that dreams are made of, folks. Imagine this. You go to sleep, and while you're dreaming about Lambos and beachfront properties, your AI trading bot is hard at work, buying and selling assets, making you money while you sleep. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of AI trading bots. These sophisticated pieces of software use data-driven algorithms to execute trades automatically 24/7 without any human intervention. They don't need sleep, they don't get emotional, they just follow the data and make you money. But how does it work? Well, you start by setting up your trading bot with your desired parameters. You tell it what assets to trade, how much risk you're comfortable with, and what your profit targets are. Then, you let it loose. The AI bot takes over from there, constantly analyzing market conditions, identifying trading opportunities, and executing trades with lightning-fast speed and precision. It's like having your own personal trading desk, but without the hefty fees and potential for human error. One of the biggest advantages of AI trading bots is that they eliminate emotional trading. Let's face it, we humans are emotional creatures, and when it comes to money, our emotions can often lead us to make irrational decisions. We buy high out of fear of missing out, and we sell low out of panic. AI trading bots don't have this problem. They're completely objective, making decisions based solely on data and pre-programmed logic. This eliminates the risk of emotional trading and helps to ensure that your trades are always executed with a clear head. And the results? Well, let's just say they speak for themselves. Traders using AI trading bots are consistently seeing returns of 5 to 10% per month. That's right, per month. And they're doing it with less risk than traditional trading methods. Now, you're probably wondering, what are the best AI trading bots out there? Well, there are a ton of great options available, but some of the most popular and highly rated platforms include CryptoHopper, TradeSanta, and MetaTrader 5. These platforms offer a wide range of features and functionality, making them suitable for both beginner and experienced traders. So the question is, are you ready to join the AI trading revolution? Are you ready to put your money to work for you, even while you sleep? Drop a yes or no in the comments below, and let me know if you'd let an AI trade for you. Now here's something hedge funds don't want you to know. They've been using AI trading for years. They've been quietly raking in massive profits while keeping the secrets to themselves, hidden from everyday investors like you and me. But the game is changing. The information is getting out there, and now you have the opportunity to level the playing field. One of the most powerful AI strategies that hedge funds use is something called reinforcement learning AI. Companies like BlackRock, one of the biggest asset managers in the world, use this technology to gain an edge in the market. So what is it? Essentially, it's an AI system that learns from millions of trades, constantly adapting and improving itself in real time. It's like having a trading algorithm that gets smarter with every single trade it makes. And the craziest part? Some AI trading platforms are starting to roll this technology out to the public. That's right, you no longer need to work at a hedge fund to access this cutting-edge technology. Want to learn more about reinforcement learning AI and how it can revolutionize your trading? Of course you do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'll be breaking it all down in next week's video. You don't want to miss this. AI is changing the future of stock trading. Are you ready for it? Comment below if you're excited to try these strategies and let me know which one you're going to try first. And hey, if you want to see AI trading in action, watch my next video on the best AI trading platforms for 2025. Just click the link on your screen right now. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a money-making opportunity. See you in the next video.